2024 CR 012617, State versus Jessica Nicole.
Jessica Doberman, evading arrest, 2 to 10 years on the table, and the judge is about to hand her a golden ticket. Watch how fast she cashes it in for a prison.
Doberman. Could I have Doberman?
Yes, ma'am.
Doberman. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hey, Bettis.
Are you Miss Doberman? Review the document entitled Admonishments and Waivers with your attorney. Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with evading arrest, detention in a vehicle? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2024 AL 001123. There's to be restitution of $1,946.55 to Nina Lopez under 2024 AL 001123. What cause number is that for?
I don't understand the question.
What system is that from? Because it is not coming up on Odyssey, that AL. What is the AL for?
At large.
So it's
an at-large case filed, I believe, by SAPD with our office under review in our intake section. So for that, I would send an ICR to the
okay.
department, letting them know.
All right, that's all I needed. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea? I'm sorry, is that the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motion?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years, 200 hours of community service restitution, and you're not to operate a motor vehicle until you produce a valid driver's license. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No.
State, any evidence?
Stand in Exhibit 1 and attachment.
No objections.
And state, have you spoken to the complainant?
In 2024 AL 001123, yes, Judge.
All right, thank you.
We provided the restitution. Listed in the plea bargain.
All right, thank you. You may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witness statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication.
I panicked. That's her excuse for running from cops. No license, $2,000 in damages, 3 kids, and 0 self-preservation instinct. What's your excuse, Count?
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right, why did you take off?
I think I totally misunderstood when he handed me back my ID.
No, in the stipulations, it said you were causing a hazard. He came up to you and asked you what the problem was, and you told him you were out of gas. He asked you if you would need help with that, and then you'd sped off.
I just panicked. I really did just panic.
Why are you panicking?
I was just going through a lot with my children, with my husband.
Going through what?
I had just recently lost my job, and I just a lot of stress.
All right. And this money that they're saying you owe to Nina Lopez, who is Nina Lopez to you?
I believe she resides in the same apartment complex.
Well, I mean, I don't know why you're saying you believe. How do you know her, and why do you owe her $1,946.55?
Honestly, so I had my truck in reverse and I tapped her vehicle,
Okay.
her hood of her vehicle.
And do you have a valid driver's license?
No, ma'am, I do.
Did you have a valid driver's license during this incident?
No, ma'am.
So why are you driving and you have no license? Well, I mean, we know that you know, but why are you driving without a license?
I just had went to the corner store to put gas. I know I should not have been driving.
If I may, Judge, she's been in jail 3, 4 months?
5 months.
5 months. She's had a lot of time to think about this. I think she is prepared to make this.
Judge Boyd loads her up. Parenting classes, 200-hour service, no driving, employment in 30 days. One shot to fix everything. She takes that shot and airballs it completely.
Better decisions going forward. She did not like her stay at all.
I'll get my driver's license as
and
soon as I get out of jail. I don't have anything.
Why did you not have a license to begin with?
I just had not gone and renewed it.
All right. Do you have any children?
I do. I have a 14-year-old, a 12-year-old, and a 5-year-old that I have full custody of.
All right. So who's taking care of them?
My husband, who's out.
All right. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. The court is going to order parenting classes, 3 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UA. Of course, no contact with Nina Lopez. There's to be no driving until further notice. So if you want to drive a vehicle, then you need to come to the court and ask permission. And of course, if you come to the court and ask permission, I'm going to want to see your license.
Yes, ma'am.
So there's to be no driving unless approved by the court. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you,
welcome. 12671 State versus Jessica Nicole Dauberman. Could I have part?
Plot twist, we're back. 7 months of ghosting her probation officer. Caught driving again. The audacity is almost respect-worthy.
Parties announced.
Adrian Faddis for the defendant.
And are you Miss Dauberman?
Yes.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Jessica Nicole Dauberman who was placed on deferred adjudication for the offense of evading arrest detention with a vehicle on February 4th, 2025 for a period of 3 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Judge, again, proceeding on violation condition number 1, specifically that on or about the 30th day of January.
Oh, is that on a different motion?
It should be on the first amended motion.
All right. Did you review the first amended motion to adjudicate with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state, you may proceed.
Judge, on or about the 30th day of January 2026 in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Jessica Nicole Dauberman, committed the offense of unauthorized use of a motor vehicle in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State.
We're also proceeding on violation condition number 4, specifically that in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Jessica Nicole Dauberman, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of June, July, August, September, October, November, and December of 2025, a violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
And Judge, finally, we'll be proceeding on violation of condition number 4, specifically that in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Jessica Nicole Doberman, did then and there fail to report the supervision officer as directed for the month of January 2026 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
And Judge, the state will waive the remaining allegations.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1, 4, and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Plot twist, we're back. 7 months of ghosting her probation officer. Caught driving again. The audacity is almost respect-worthy. Almost.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 1, 4, and 4? Court, you're going to have to speak up.
Yes.
Court will find 1, 4, and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to revoke the defendant and sentence her to 2 years to do and TC.
All right. So what has she done on probation? Did you pay probation, did she pay the $1,946.55 restitution?
No, Judge.
Has she done anything on probation?
Judge, it does not look like it, Judge.
All right.
May I proceed, Judge?
Yes.
Judge, we're in agreement with the 2 years TDCJ. Sometimes there's just not an excuse to give. She was on probation. There were things that she was supposed to do, and yes, she did not do them. But we did reach an agreement with the state quickly, swiftly. She took responsibility for not performing her probation. Judge, the court to take that into consideration and follow the recommendation between the parties.
All right. So did she ever provide a valid driver's license to probation? Because that was part of her agreement, to provide no driving until she produced a valid driver's license to probation. So was a valid driver's license ever produced?
No, Judge.
And what is the violation of condition number 1 that you played true to?
Unauthorized use of motor vehicle.
All right. The court is finding 1, 4, and 4 true. The court is going to the court is going to find you guilty. Court is going to revoke. The court will order restitution of $1,946.55 to Nina Lopez under cause number 2024 AL 001123. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. And the court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you need to speak to an attorney.
6 years. Judge Boyd just tripled the deal. Deferred became definite. 3 kids, second chance, straight to prison. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.